Here, noong March 27, napabalita na merong isang babae na naulihan ng 4 na bala. Nakarating sa Manila na tanimbala raw yun. Ano ba talagang nangyari dyan?
I say there's no such thing as tanimbala in Cebu.
Okay.
What did happen was that there were 4 bullets discovered in a pouch buried deep in the backpack of this female passenger who was scheduled to leave for a domestic flight to Tacloban. So we followed protocols. When the bullets were detected in the X-ray machine, we immediately called the PNP in, as is our protocol as required.
Pero inamin niya ba, GM, na sa kanya yung 4 na bala na yun? At kung inamin niya, bakit nasa loob ng pouch sa bag niya?
Well, she did not deny that the bullets were of hers.
So parang inaamin niya na sa kanya yung...
Yes, they were contained in her pouch. She did not accuse anybody from the authority or the PNP or the ODS of planting bullets on her. She did not accuse anybody of trying to ask or extort money from her or any form of payment.
May mga nagsasabi kasi mga tao, ba't hindi lang gayahin natin tulad sa ibang bansa sa Amerika, pag may nakitang bala, tinatapon lang sa basurahan at pinapasakay na sa aeroplano yung pasahero.
For this year alone, this is I think the 20th or 21st incident of bullets being found in a passenger's hand carry luggage or person. And for all of these incidents, as protocol, we turn everything to the PNP. And it's the PNP who will decide whether or not to file cases against these people.
So PNP ang pinag-decide ninyo?
Yes, but in most cases, we don't file. The PNP does not file a case. The bullets are confiscated, and the passengers are allowed to leave as scheduled.
So bakit yung sabi mo 20 cases na they were allowed to board the plane, itong ngayon, no March 27, she wasn't allowed to board the plane?
But there are several things, Sen. Number one, whenever a bullet is found on somebody's person, the PNP conducts investigation or profile check. Now, in this particular case, the lady in question had neither of these. The bullets also were medyo marami, 4. Normally, 1, 2, or even 3.
Anong class? Caliber?
38 caliber ito.
38, okay.
Hindi niya ma-justify bakit may dala siyang bullets. So the PNP decided to file a case. Also, gun ban pala ngayon.
So okay, that explains it well. So pwede natin makita mamaya, GM?
Yes, sir, of course.
Sistema?
Yes.
Yung blue color, yan yung mga metallic items. And then yung may green, yan po yung mga mixed materials, yung plastic, yung porcelain, yung lead ng bala. Yan yung only metal na hindi kayang i-penetrate ng X-ray. Talagang solid black to color. Pagdating dun sa dulo, dalawa yung ating conveyor. Pag i-reject niya, kasi may nakitang bala automatic niya i-reject.
Para hindi maabot ng ano. Pero makita at all time.
So, once na nag-acknowledge si ma'am, example, nasa kanya yung bag, kunin na yung bag mo, ma'am? Bag mo, ma'am? Check ko, ma'am, ha? Tapos, mata-transfer yung image ko na kanina dito. Kaninong bag? Sa inyo, sir? Pwede ko open yung bag, sir? Start ako, sir.
Okay. Kasi tama-tama, identify niya agad sa gilid.
Yeah, alam niya saan hanapin.
Alam niya saan eksakto hanapin.
Sir, may...
Ayun, hindi siya makatinay.
And then, once there's something found, we turn
Yes. Dito may...
Tapos may fish eye yan, sir. Yan po, fish eye po yan. So, parang 360 siya na white.
Kuya, camera. Makita mo yung luggage mo pag unload, offload, na hindi siya tinapon. Tinatapon yung bag mo. Alam mo na, makita ko sino nagtapon. Kung reklamo mo, review ka agad.
Ito surveyor na to, yan po yung connected sa ating dito. Papasok po sa ating RNS, which is standard na meron siya exclusive detection system. Wala siyang operator. Tapos pag may nag-detect siya mga exclusive na mga substance or any residues, yung image niya, ibapato niya sa level 2. Yung level 2 is workstation siya, nandun yung mga scanners, yes, tao siya. Tapos tinitingnan niya yung mga image na binabato nila doon. Tingin niya, nga no, parang explosive to. So, nire-reject niya. Yung bagahe na yun, napupunta sa level image, yun yung grass line.
Sa watuan na yan.
Ito, tingnan ko lang, pagdating as terminal ikaw.
Yung white taxi natin, dito sa area na to sila nakapila with the taxi rates. Yan, white taxi and premium taxi, ito pong area nila. Yung kabilang taxi naman, which is the yellow one, that's the airport accredited taxi. So doon din po sila, meron din po na may podium doon. So yun po nagbibigay ng white slate.
Okay, sige Jim.
Thank you very much.
Sir.